two V's. The V tree.
I can't see that.
Just don't move. You'll be able to see him in a second. He's coming. Yep. See him? He's right. He should be right, like right down your barrel, to the right of your barrel.
I can't see that part. Takes the oh, I see him.
You see him? He's coming in, baby. You got your okay. Yep. Just take your time. He's gonna come right up into our setup.
Okay, so don't move.
Nope, do not move. Okay, get your gun out the window, babe. Just get ready. He's gonna come right up into our setup. Whenever you feel comfortable. He's in range now, so whenever you're ready.
He's right down.
Boom, baby. Boom. Yes. Oh my God. And we got it on camera. My gimbal's going crazy. I'm hitting all kinds of buttons. Hold on. I got it on film now. Holy crap. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh. Baby. You did it. Oh my Lord.
What time is it?
Yeah, it's like 7:30 again.
You want to go out now or wait?
Well, let's just wait for a sec. Oh my God, I gotta settle down. Okay.
You can tear this thing off.